When your Fire TV Cube remote becomes unresponsive, there are two main culprits that cause most problems. Let's diagnose and fix these issues systematically. Battery problems cause 40% of all Fire TV remote issues. Start by opening the battery compartment and inspecting the batteries for any signs of corrosion or leakage. If you find corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol using a cotton swab or cloth. This removes buildup that prevents proper electrical connection. Replace the old batteries with fresh, high-quality AAA alkaline batteries. Make sure to align them with the correct polarity as shown in the battery compartment. For extended battery life, consider using lithium AAA batteries instead of alkaline. They can last up to 3 times longer, especially in demanding usage scenarios. Infrared sensor problems account for 35% of remote issues. The IR receiver is the small black window on your Fire TV Cube that receives signals from the remote. Start by powering off the Fire TV Cube completely. Use compressed air to clear any dust from the IR receiver window. Also clean the IR transmitter at the tip of your remote with a soft, dry cloth. Infrared signals require a direct line of sight between the remote and the Fire TV Cube. Keep the distance within 15 feet and avoid interference from fluorescent lights or other infrared devices. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve 85% of Fire TV Cube remote problems. Start with battery replacement, then check the infrared sensors. Most issues can be fixed in under 10 minutes with these simple solutions. When basic troubleshooting fails, the next step is repairing your Fire TV Cube remote. The first method involves using the home button to initiate pairing mode. Hold the home button for 10 seconds until the LED on your remote blinks blue. This puts the remote into pairing mode and prepares it to connect with your Fire TV Cube. Next, navigate to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, then Amazon Fire TV Remotes, and select Add New Remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. If the standard method doesn't work, try Factory Reset Pairing. This is a more comprehensive reset that clears all previous pairing data from the remote. Simultaneously press and hold the left, menu, and back buttons for 12 seconds. This combination triggers a complete factory reset of the remote's pairing settings. After the button combination, remove the batteries for 60 seconds, then reinsert them. The remote will automatically enter pairing mode and display a pairing prompt on your Fire TV screen. For persistent connectivity issues, you can reset the Fire TV Cube system itself. Hold the back and right navigation buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds to restart the device and attempt automatic remote reconnection. As a last resort for stubborn connectivity issues, reset your Wi-Fi connection and restart your router. This addresses any network-related interference that might be preventing proper remote pairing. Amazon's 2025 Fire TV Cube models feature enhanced IR sensitivity with 25% improved range and adaptive pairing technology that uses machine learning to optimize connection protocols based on your usage patterns.